So in part 1, I covered my journey from Mumbai to Siri, our first base camp. So finally, today was the day I was waiting for years. I knew every mountain top is within your reach if you just keep climbing. This was our day 2 of the trek and we started our journey towards Devtibba base camp, which was located at 6000 feet. I welcome you to the part 2 of my Escapades web series.
When the house is quiet, when the halls are dark, when an empty freeway with no one but the stars. Everybody's moving, but you're standing still. I hope this is the moment where it all gets real. We all feel lonely, we all feel lost. No, you're not the only one standing in the dark. Millions of people living out a dream. All they ever show you is the daily highlight reel. Reach through the darkness, climb through the smoke. We are all here waiting. You'll never be alone. We all feel lonely, we all feel lost. No, you're not the only.
I knew everyone wants to live on top of the mountain, but all the happiness and the growth occurs while you are climbing it. We took a lunch break at the place called Chika, located at 4000 feet. Trust me, we were completely unaware of what was stored ahead of us. Those beautiful snow-capped mountains, snowstorm, and of course the mighty Mount Devtibba. Arriving at the Devtimba base camp in such a way was like a cherry on top of the cake. It was such a fun sliding on those mountains covered with snow. We were surrounded by clouds, but once the clouds got disappeared, this was what we saw.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth from my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth round my neck on my gold chain. My ghosts and my dreams gonna rescue me. Like the teeth round my neck on my gold chain. Ooh, I'm gonna try to wear my high heels. To wear my high heels. Head up high, here I come. And I don't care what the future has in store. No more shrinking, no more overthinking. No, 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 no.
After a while, the weather got worse, with temperature dropping below -20 degrees, following the snowstorm. We decided to spend the rest of the day in the tent. See you in the next part.